Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A couple things I want to talk about real quick today. One of my viewers contacted me and said that over the course of the pandemic, she had purchased a bunch of nail supplies. She was going to teach herself to do nails. After purchasing all of those things, she decided that nails were not for her. So she messaged me and asked if she could send them to me to either do a giveaway or use, just somebody that would put it to use. I know a few ladies who will put it to good use. But first, let me dig a little deeper here. So she made out like it was just a couple of odds and ends. Let me show you a picture of the box that I received. Yeah, so it was a 15-pound box, stuffed completely full. So it ended up being, 3, 4, 5 different ladies that I was able to split it up and send it out to. They were very grateful. We didn't do a giveaway for that because it was intended to go to someone who needed it, and we kind of talked it out and figured out who would make the most use out of it. Like people who were trying to go through nail school and needed supplies to practice with, people who did nails from home to try to make money, that kind of thing. So it went to people who really needed it. Part of what came in it was this studio nail set, which I hadn't done before, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch these tonight while we discuss a few other things that are going on. That was very kind of her, and most people would just put it in the closet and forget about it, but she made sure to pass it on to someone who would get use out of it. I thought that was really cool, and it's kind of indicative of the viewers that I have. They're very supportive. They're always thinking of others. So thank you, Joy. The ladies really appreciate it, and that was an insane amount of product to just give away. Speaking of viewers who are very supportive, tonight, by the way, we have 2 guests in here. It's Loki, say hello.
Hi.
And Olivia. Olivia, say hello.
Hi.
Oh, that's the most we've gotten out of her so far. So, Olivia made me this bracelet.
I helped
Loki.
I'm so cool.
Okay, yes, because they're so cool, and they made me.
Awesome.
All right, that's enough. They made me this with my colors on it, so that's cute. They're in here tonight because it is a very special night. The day before yesterday, I hit my 1,000 subscriber mark, and yesterday I got my email from YouTube that my partner account had been approved. So my channel is now monetized, which is kind of a big deal, and thanks completely to you guys. What this means now is that I can treat this like a real job. I can put more time into it because I'm getting paid for it. So I can make it into a more of a all the time thing instead of just when I have time, because now I can be like, nope, I gotta go to work. Leave me be, and shut my door, which is really cool. That means I get paid to play and stuff and do exactly what I love to do. And I appreciate that very much. So in light of that, to show appreciation for you guys letting me get paid to do what I love to do and nerd out, we are doing the big giveaway. The first prize will be a best of kit, which I will pick my favorite products that I've reviewed over the last year, and I will include them all in one big goodie bag. The second prize is going to be a make your own acrylic kit. It will come with a large clear, a good quality clear, some mica powder, jars, maybe a mixer, like the little grinder dealie. I'm not sure yet. Depends on what I find on Amazon. Also, third, I'll be doing a couple different third place prizes. One will be a gel polish set, one of the all-in-one kits that I did before. The other will be a brush kit, which will include liner brushes and a good acrylic brush and, whatever other brushes I can find that I like. So, and whatever other prizes I can think of. I don't know. I think we're going to end up doing 5. I'm not sure. I do want to say a very, very special thank you to my friend Bulldog. She has been super supportive literally from day one. And she didn't come from anywhere else. She just found me on YouTube. I think from the Nail by Nikki collab. And she has been literally behind me every step of the way. And I really, really appreciate it. So I just wanted to tell her thank you. It's weird how strangers on the internet can turn into really good friends. So tonight we are going to go ahead and do this studio nail swatches. If you want to be entered in the giveaway, this is the giveaway video. Comment down below. And you don't have to just enter for yourself. If you know someone else that you would like to enter, you can comment their name. And I will leave this video up for a week. And at the end of that week, I will lock the comments and I will do an announcement video for the winners. And I will show the prizes being shipped out. So just again, thank you to everybody. I really can't tell you how much I appreciate it. This started as just filling a gap that I saw, and it turned into this. It's pretty cool. Anyway, the girls are tired of hearing me be all mushy and appreciative. They're not, be quiet. They don't know what, you know, silent observers mean. So this studio nail set, it's oranges and yellows, and it's really, really pretty. Like, the colors are really pretty. We have some shimmery, like muted yellow, a little brighter yellow. Looks like it has a little orange in it. This one is kind of like a daffodil, I think. Saffron, I don't know. This one's more of a brighter dandelion yellow. Then we have some oranges. That's kind of neon. I like that. It's kind of a pumpkin orange. Then, oh, that's like a pink. Oh, I like that. Okay. So today I'm going to be using that Dashboard Beauty brush. I was looking at it earlier and realized that I really haven't used it hardly at all. This one was recommended by Darling D Nails, which I will be including the link to her YouTube channel down below. Also, while we're doing this, I'm going to start with the lightest and work my way up. That's what I've decided on. So let me get these a little closer and we will zoom in. So I'm going to include Darling D Nails and Anisa Greene. They're two of my viewers who started their own YouTube channels, and I think that is super cool, and we should go show them some support and a little love, comment on their videos, you know, do all the things to push them up and get them engagement, right? Today I found out that one of my viewers from across the pond has started her own YouTube as well. Michelle Doyle. So we are going to include the link to her YouTube as well. And we're just going to check them all out. Ooh, this is kind of pretty. This is really pretty. But anyway, this brush was recommended by Darling D Nails, and I realized I haven't used it hardly at all. And that is really a shame because it's very pretty. I love the enamel kind of 50s vibe I get from it. I love it. Yes, so in the stuff that Joyce sent was this studio nails set, and I had never used them before, so we are going to check them out. So that's why we're doing that today. But I wanted to do the video where she gave so much stuff away on the giveaway video, or announced the giveaway on the video where she gave so much stuff away, because I thought that was really cool. And it's kind of like, that's what we do here. We give, whether it's support, knowledge, whatever. Also, if you haven't checked out the practice group and you are needing, like, you know, support in your nail life, it's a great place to get that. Or if you just need friends, you know, if you're like most of us, or, you know, your moms or whatever, and don't have a very active social life, or, you know, people who are interested in the same stuff, it's a great place to make friends and hang out. So I will include the link down below to that as well. Down there, like I can see it in the description box. So this is more of like a mustard yellow with glitter. Shimmer, not glitter. Shimmer, that business. And I had to go back through all of those videos and click, you know, turn on monetization and whatnot. I didn't even realize how many I had. There are so many. Please don't go back and watch my old videos though. They are not great. So this acrylic actually lays really nice. I like this a lot. It's got a really nice texture. It's really fine. I'm going to stop swatching on top or we're gonna be here all night. All right, let's see. Next we have, they're just numbered, they don't have names on the bottom, so. But it beads up really nice. And it lays super smooth. So this is it's almost like a little lighter than the first color, just no shimmer. Again, it's kind of like almost like a mustard yellow. I crimped this brush finally because it was so round. Like normally I don't crimp them, but this one was just so round. And I actually think I did a pretty good job that time. So yeah, the girls wanted to hang out tonight. I will be doing my nails for the practice group video, and I am doing Baby Yoda nails. This week we're going to be focusing on Apex. So that is a really nice yellow. Actually, I thought they'd be more summery colors, but they're kind of fall. Like they have kind of a fall vibe. This one's not. I don't know what you would call that. It's pretty bright. It almost looks like ground up dandelions. So I'm super excited to get my first paycheck that actually says YouTube on it. Like, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. Oh wait, they do direct deposit, so I guess I'm not gonna get like a paycheck. Aw. I wonder if the deposit will say YouTube, or it'll probably say Google or something since Google owns them. That's sad. I wanna check this as from YouTube. So I think I've heard of this brand before. I'm not positive. I know I've heard someone mention them before, but I can't remember where or why because, you know, I got that memory issue. This is a really nice yellow too. These yellows are not separating at all, which is odd seeing as how they're so super pigmented. Like there's no separation, no marbling. Interesting. All right, now we're moving on to the oranges and that. I want to see that one. And then we'll wrap it up. It's been an emotional couple days with all this. And Olivia is Loki's friend from 3rd grade, who they've remained BFF through moves and changing grades and remote learning and all that. So she's one of my kids now. That's why she's hanging out with us. So every time I can steal her away. Oh, this is cool. This has like that melted popsicle vibe. Kind of like the Glam and Glitz, that red. Because it's sheer based, it's not white based. It's neat. It does, it looks like melted orange popsicle. That's exactly what it looks like. I'm a fan. Not of orange popsicles, of the color. I don't like orange popsicles at all. I don't think anybody likes orange popsicles.
I do.
Really?
Yeah.
Whose child are you?
I like the real orange ones, not the orange cream.
No, we're talking about orange popsicles.
Yeah, I like those.
Not orange creamsicles.
Okay, I like orange popsicles.
What? Who? No, nobody likes orange popsicles.
I would.
What is wrong with y'all? Who's? No. I won't have it. Not in my house. All right, so this one is more like a pumpkin. Well, it looks like a pumpkin. I'm probably gonna be super. Yeah, that's cool. It's got like a pinkish red. Huh. It's not what I expected. It's very dark. I don't know. I don't know what color I would call that because it's not. It's orange, but it's orange, but it's got a really nice red base. Huh. Interesting. But not pumpkin like I thought. None of these colors looked how I expected them to. But they all have that kind of sheer base, so they're not marbling, even though they're super pigmented. Dude, these would be great for fall nails. Like, super, just, yeah, they would be great. Can you imagine the Charlie Brown business I could do with these? Oh, I have Snoopy decals too. Oh, I know what I'm doing. All right, last one, and then we'll wrap up. I don't know what this is, but it's cool. It says this is actually 2 collections. One is Midnight Sun and one just said orange. So I'll include the link for both. So it's got to be orange, right? But it's not orange. I mean, I guess it's kind of orange. It's more of a hot pink kind of coral color. No, it's too light for that. This looks like, you know the strawberry shortcake ice cream? I think I'm hungry, I think is the problem. This looks like the insides of the strawberry shortcake ice cream. It's kind of cool. And there's just a tiny bit of separation on this one, but it kind of blended right in. It didn't even leave like a patch underneath, so that is a really cool pink. Okay, so that is the Midnight Sun and the oranges. I will find the link and include both links in the description box, as well as the links to Michelle Doyle and Darling D Nails and Anisa Greene's YouTube. I think it's awesome. We should show them some support. They've been super supportive of me. And the link to the Telegram group. There's just gonna be a lot of links, okay? Check them all out. So I will leave this video up for a week. If I have closed comments, that means that we have drawn a winner, and I will be posting the video of the winner shortly. If you would like to be entered, just comment down below. Anyone who comments will be entered. If you want to nominate someone else, if you want to enter someone else, just comment their name and I will enter them for you. So again, thank you guys so much. It's been a blast, and thanks for watching.